When I think of Cuban desserts, I think of flan. This silky smooth custard is both simple and delicious. My name is Dennis, and this is how my Cuban family makes flan. Begin by cracking 5 large room temperature eggs into a large bowl and whisk. Then add 1 can of condensed milk, some evaporated milk, whole milk, and finally vanilla extract. Mix until well combined, then set aside. Next, you need to prepare the caramel, which will provide both color and sweetness. Into the pot we will cook the flan and add 1 cup of white sugar. For this step, you don't want to walk away. The possibility of going from a good amber color to burnt can happen really fast. So put your kids away, put your chickens away, and focus on making this caramel sauce. Set over low heat and let the sugar slowly melt until it turns into a nice amber color. Don't worry about stirring, just watch for all the sugar to melt. Then, using heat-proof mitts, very carefully rotate the pan to coat the sides with the caramel. The caramel should be thick, but should flow easily. Once the pot is coated, set it aside to cool completely to room temperature. Once the container is cool to the touch, preheat the oven to 350 degrees and slowly pour the flan mixture through a fine mesh sieve. Give it a few love taps to get out any air bubbles, and next you want to cover the custard and place into a larger pot. Place into the oven's middle rack and fill up the larger pot about 75% of the way up of the flan pot with hot water. Set a timer for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Once time is up, remove the flan and check the doneness. It should be soft but maintain its shape when jiggled. If it's cooked, cover and set aside to cool before placing it in the refrigerator overnight. Finally, it's time to plate. Remove from the fridge and tap around the sides until you can see it has separated. Do not use a knife. Then place a plate on top and very carefully flip. A few love taps and voila. Allow the pressure to equalize as you slowly lift the pot to reveal a beautiful, silky, and decadent flan. Smooth, creamy, sweet, but not overly sweet. Delicious. And this is how you make my family's Cuban flan recipe. My name is Dennis. I'll see you in the next one.